Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on media volume limit on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02 and settings. Okay, go to sounds and vibration. Okay, tap this, and sounds and vibration. Okay, you can see the volume. Okay, tap the volume and volume. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the three dot on the upper right side on your screen and tap the media volume limit. And okay guys, here in media volume limit, okay, you can see the switch button. Okay, you'll have to do to turn on the medium volume limit is turn on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, now you can protect your ear with a media volume limit for headphones and Bluetooth audio device. And okay guys, you can adjust the custom volume limit by sliding to the left or to the right the custom volume limit. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on media volume limit on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.